Vishnu Pashila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, and all Rupanuga Guru Varga, and all the devotees present who came to give blessings in this temple. So I have been requested by Srila Gurudev to speak something about Bhagavad Gita, but I am so ignorant. What can I understand about Gita? There is no way that I can understand this Sabda Brahma by my own endeavors. It is said that by so much listening you cannot understand this transcendental sound vibration. By so much reading you cannot also understand. You can only understand with when this divine absolute truth will decide by its own will to manifest in your heart. So in Gita, Krishna, he says this very important instruction, Tadvidi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya, that you should approach one guru, one who understands this Sabda Brahma, one who is experienced in this Sabda Brahma. Tasmat guru prapadita gigyashu shreya uttama sabde pare chanisnata brahmano pasama shreya, that he has experience about this Sabda Brahma. He is living in that Visuddha Sattva, this transcendental experience. Therefore, he can instruct you about this. You cannot understand by so much reading, by becoming, how do you say in English? Like scholar. You cannot understand this transcendental vibration. Only when Guru's mercy will come, you can understand. For this reason, Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is explained, Maya Mugdha Jiver Nahi Svata Krishna Gyan. The conditioned souls, they don't understand about Krishna. For this reason, Krishna is so merciful. He comes in this world in three forms: Guru, Shastra, and Paramatma. These three forms come in this material world to give to us guidance. Because Shastra is there, so many books are there, but we cannot understand just by reading. Because this is Samadhi Bhasa. Like Gurudev explains, Bhakti Yogena Manasi Samyak Pranihite Amalam Apashat Pursam Purnam Mayam Chatat Apashrayam. When Vyasadev he composed Srimad Bhagavatam, he was in Samadhi. Therefore, this is not ordinary language. This is Samadhi Vasa. So, what can a materialist person like me understand about Bhagavad Gita? But I know one lila of Mahaprabhu. Once he was traveling in South India. Then he saw one Brahmana, he was crying in the temple. He was reading Bhagavad Gita and crying. And he just crying, and everyone was making fun of him because they see that he doesn't know how to read. Then Mahaprabhu, he asked, why are you crying? Then this Brahmana, he very humbly, he said, oh, I don't know how to read. I don't know Sanskrit. I'm just reading Bhagavad Gita because my Gurudev told me to read. So for this reason, I am reading. And when I read this Bhagavad Gita, then I see Krishna, very beautiful form. He is with Arjun in the chariot, giving him instructions. Then Mahaprabhu said, you are qualified to read Bhagavad Gita. Qualification is not so much scholarship. It is faith in Guru. Guru Pada Padma is our life and soul. Like Shama Priya, she sang very nice bhajan. Isa jaga mein akela hu. In this material world, who is with us? Only Guru Pada Padma. Like Gurudev explained in his book, I think Jewels of the Heart. In this material world, only Guru Pada Padma is with us. Because our relation with Paramatma is in our heart. But our relation with Paramatma is not eternal. Because as long as we are in this material world, Paramatma is with us. But when we depart from this material world, when we are in Goloka Vrindavan, Paramatma will not be with us. Paramatma is only related to this material world. As long as we are in this material world, Paramatma is with us. But Guru Pada Padma is always with us, and he will manifest this transcendental knowledge in many different phases. First, he will instruct us, he will give to us, like Gurudev was saying yesterday, Jar nahi kandak gyan, tar nahi divya gyan. If you have no common sense, how can you attain transcendental knowledge? So, first Guru will tell, this is good for you, this is bad for you, he will instruct you about Vidhi Bhakti. Then, slowly by following this instruction of Guru, he will bring you to the topmost instruction of Bhagavad Gita. Man mana bhava madhvatya madhyaji man namaskuru. This is the mood of the gopis in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Just like Srimati Radhika, she is always absorbed in Krishna. Wherever she is looking, she sees only Krishna. Sukadev Goswami, he said, Evam Brajastriya Rajam Krishna Lilanu Gayati. By this Harikatha that the gopis are speaking, they are experiencing internal meeting with Krishna. So in this material world, it's the same. If we want to meet with Krishna, just like if you want to see Thakurji, you go to the temple. So if you want to see Krishna, if you want to attain this Braja Rasa, this Sringar Rasa, you have to follow the three principles. You have to associate with the high class elevated devotees of Srimati Radhika. And you have also to reside in Vrindavan, not physically, then by mind. And you also have to be not independent. He belongs to the Braja Gopis. So, if you want to get Krishna, you have to go through the gopis. But our goal is not Krishna. Our goal is
Aditanam Pavanevo Vaishnavevo Namo He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinavando Jagatpati Gopesha Gopika Kanto Radha Kanto Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrisabhanusute Devi Pranamami Om Vrindavai Tulasi Devai Priyavai Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Sattva Namo Aparadhalakshai Irtascha Kamavitarangamade Vimaitam Saranamradha Ninde Namaste Charanaravinda Ninde Namaste Charanaravinda Vinde Namaste Charanaravinda Bhajami Radham Aravinda Netam Smadrami Radha Madhura Sitasim Vadami Radham Karuna Varadram Tato Mama Nasti Katirana Sama Sundara Shikanda Shekhara Smiraha Samruli Manoma Radhikar Sikamang Kripa Nidhe Sapriya Charana Kinkaring Sambhida Dasanatinang Vivo Prarthaye Prajamandanandanam Vastu Mohana Tavati Vallabha Janma Janmani Madhishwari Priya Prananato Visamanandini Srimukhabja Rasa Lulu Satapada Radhika Padatulekito Stite Tang Bhajami Sikendra Sekhara Vamse Vibhusita Koran Navanira Dabhat Pitambara Durna Bimba Paladarashat Purinendu Sundara Mukha Krishnat Paramatattam Kimopi Aham Najani Krishnat Paramatattam Kimopi Aham Najani Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and my six young sannyas Guru Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So, yesterday we also very nicely celebrated Gita Jayanti. And Krishna gave all the instruction to Arjuna in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. And कृष्ण के दिया उपदेश अर्जुन के लक्ष्य करी कृष्ण गीताय सवाधिक दय उपदेश अर्जुन इज दास जस्ट ही इज लाइक उपलक्ष्य में अरे उपलक्ष्य एक्चुअल कृष्ण is giving this all the instruction not to Arjuna. He is giving instruction to the all the conditional soul, Baddha jivas. Because conditional soul, they have no idea what is soul, what is body, they have no idea. And conditional soul always absorbed with the four things: eating, sleeping, depending, and meeting. Ahara nidra bhai mithunaj. The conditional soul, they have no thinking, who am I, why have I come this material world? After my death, where will I go? Many things will be think. Our cats, dogs, animals, they are not thinking. Just the 24 hours absorbed with four things: eating, sleeping, defending, and mating. If you go down the beach, you can see the birds. And birds understand. Birds, what they are doing? And searching their food. And then when their stomach full, then taking rest on the branches of the tree. Again hungry and searching on the beach. Something like that. So in this way, conditional soul also always absorbed four things: eating, sleeping, depending, and mating. But the difference, conditional soul, Baddha jivas, and cats, dogs, animals, what is the difference? Same. But one thing is there, cats, dogs, animals, they cannot inquire their spiritual life, Paramartha jiva. We are human beings, so we can inquire about our spiritual life. We can think, where have I come from? After my death, where will I go? Who will go with me? No one. You have come alone, you have to go alone. But Tulsidas is saying, no, you are not alone. Tu akela nahi pyare, Ram tera saath mein. You are not alone. Who is with you? Guru and Krishna. Tu akela nahi pyare, Ram tera saath mein. That is called Atma and Paramatma. You are not this body, you are soul, Atma. A Paramatma, super soul who resides in the heart of the living entities. Is everywhere. This is the process. So तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे, आराम तेरा साथ में। किया अभिमान जब ईमान नहीं पाएगा, होगा प्यारी वही जैसी राम जी को पाएगा। Then when he took birth from the womb of our mother, that time automatically written in our forehead. How long will be here? And when will you give up your body? Janma, mrityu, everything fixed, predicted and predestined. That cannot change. Only change and if you perform bhajan sadhana, very strong bhajan sadhana. That is called Tibra bhajan. Tibra bhajan, understand? What is Tibra bhajan?
Intense. Intense.
Strong.
Uninterrupted.
Tibra bhajan. Your bhajan should be one-pointed and do or die. This is the that is actually called Tibra bhajan. Otherwise, no one can change your predicted and predestined. Everything. So now coming in this Bhagavad Gita, Krishna gave very nice instruction to us also, how step by step attain our perfection goal. And many kinds of philosophy he also told to Arjuna. All kinds of philosophy there. Dvaitavad, Advaitavad, everything is there also. And how to defeat the impartialist. Everything explained this. So if you read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then you can give the answer. Then all answer will come. Where? Bhagavad Gita. Very nice. So just I also explained this way. Just Gurudev once he told, how do you prove? How will you prove everything controlled by Krishna? Because people are saying, no, Prakriti, nature and creates everything. Nature creates or not? What do you think? Nature not creates? You can one cow dung. After a few days, when the cow dung become rotten, bad smell, you can see some also insects coming out from the cow dung. You have seen or not? So where this is coming there? Where the insects coming from? Where is coming from insects? Understand? People, they are giving these types of example also. Nature is doing everything. They are saying. So, Prakritivad, or the English term Prakritivad.
Nature.
The doctrine of nature. Nature will go in this. But Krishna told no. Prakriti cannot give anything. Maya dakshena prakriti shruvate sacharacharam hetu ananakuntya jagadvi parivartate. Prakriti cannot give anything also. Maya dakshena prakriti swate sacharacharam hetu ananakuntya jagadvi. Krishna says, according my under guidance, everything is yours. Doing this. And according to the instruction of Lord Krishna, son says, this is the thing. Everything is there. This is the process also. Without Krishna desires, nothing happens. This is true. Krishna desires, best desires. So these three things. Just give an example. Krishna, he went in the in the palace of Duryodhana. How to solve their all the problems of Kurukshetra Yuddha. So Krishna, he went to compromise. Okay, just give the 5 villages to Pandavas, then you can take. Then you solve. So why not solve? You understand?
Duryodhana did not accept.
Why did not accept? Why? Same Krishna, he resides in the heart of all the living entity in the form of Paramatma, Super Soul. Your heart, everybody heart. Actually, Krishna, he does not want. He wants. What does he want? War. And without Krishna, there nothing happen. Krishna ichha bina phal dhari vare nare. Chaitanya Bhagavat. Without Krishna, there nothing happen. This is true. So Krishna desires is called the best desires. আপন ইচ্ছায় জীব কোটি বাঞ্ছা করে ঈশ্বর ইচ্ছা বিনা জীব ফল ধরিবারে না রে. We want many things, but without Krishna desires we cannot do anything. What is the proverb?
Man proposes, God
Man proposes, God
disposes.
disposes. We want these things, but what happened? Everything. Even Krishna knows everything. So Hindi verse also explain. And क्या से उनकी इच्छा बिना एक पत्ता भी हिलता नहीं. है
भगवान की इच्छा बिना
भगवान की इच्छा बिना एक पत्ता भी हिलता नहीं. This is true.
not one leaf could move.
So try to understand this way. Another thing, so who is giving the good inspiration to us? Dadami buddhi yogam tam jeno mang upajanti te. Then I will give the buddhi yoga good things, good instruction to you. Because Krishna is our real mother and father. Many people, they also saying, okay, when I am doing good karma, that time we are saying, oh Krishna, giving inspiration, I am doing. Or when I am performing bad karma, that time, what is it? Who is giving inspiration and bad karma to me? Oh, Indra?
This one first time.
Not Indra. We are blaming to Indra. Then, that time, this is our own desire. We are doing this. Parents never give the bad instruction with their children. So Krishna is he is our real mother and father. Tameva mata, tameva pita, tameva bandhu sakhasya. So how possible and Krishna will give bad instruction to us? Arjun, a Duryodhana is saying, Duryodhana is a non-devotee. Oh, you inspired to me, so I am doing this. So how possible Krishna will say, you also put the fire in the house of Pandavas? No. Lord always give the good instruction to us. Understand? This is very important. As like parents, they always give the instruction with their children. You understand it? Or Jiva's one thing is what one Swatantra Shakti also there. What is called? Independence potency. You have. When you misuse our this independent potency or Swatantra Shakti, then we will suffer. Understand this way. Sometimes people also misunderstand, also give the interpretation. Then try to understand. Lord always giving the good instruction to us, not bad instruction. Then, why I am saying it? Because people are saying, then, without Krishna, nothing happened.
They're blaming God.
And they blaming to God. Oh, you did this. When good things coming, that time not
Blaming God.
blaming God. Oh, Krishna is this. They are not giving the credit to God. That time they are taking the credit himself. Oh, I did this. This is true. And everybody give claps. Okay, they did. So let's try to understand this. Srimad Bhagavad Gita also Krishna this and this. Then, because Krishna always is giving our good brain also. Tasma sastro pramanam te karjo akarjo vyavastito. Krishna says, Arjun, what will do, what not will do? You decide. You decide or not? So, what will do, what not to do? You decide. And I am giving to your good brain, Vichar Shakti. Cats, dogs, animals, they have no, what is it called?
Discrimination.
Vichar Shakti.
Discrimination.
Discrimination power. What is good, what is bad. But we are human being. Manusya. Lord is giving to our this Shakti that is called independence potency, Swatantra Shakti. When you misuse our this potency, Swatantra Shakti, then we are suffering. This is fire or not? This is fire. If you touch the fire, your hand will be burned. Then you know. But you knowingly to touch this fire, then your hand will be burned. So saying, Tasma Sastra Pramanam Te Karjo Akarjo Vyavastito. Bhagavad Gita. These things are. Everything I have described in the scriptures. What will do, what not will do. So maybe your question will come. Why Krishna, he gave us Swatantra Shakti, independence potency. Why? If Krishna would not give us this potency, independent potency, will not do anything wrong. Here too wrong. Why Krishna? What is the reason he gave us this independence potency, Swatantra Shakti? Who knows? Why?
Because without independence, we are like stone.
We will become inert, jor. Independent potency, Swatantra Shakti is very important also. Stone, mountain, and Jada Padartha. Jada Padartha, inert. Inert has no independence. We are Chetan Padartha. What is Padartha? Chetan Padartha. Two kinds of Padartha. Padartha, understand? You thinking? Substance. One is called Chetan Padartha, conscious being, substance. Another is called Jada Padartha. Then Achetan Padartha. What is called? Achetan. Chetan Padartha, Achetan Padartha. Sanskrit word. One is called Chetan Padartha and it is called Achetan Padartha. Atma, that is called Chetan Padartha, conscious being. Or another is called opposite, that is called unconscious being. These are the things. We are human beings. We know this is good, this is bad, this one. So now coming in this way, Srimad Bhagavad Gita very clear. Maya dakshana prakriti surati sacharacharam hetu anena konteya jagadvi parivartate. 9/10. 9 chapter, sloka number 10. Very clearly, Maya dakshana, according my guidance. Prakriti, nature, performing all her duties. Giving everything. People are thinking, okay, nature giving everything. No, here Krishna is saying, Maya dakshana. Use this word, Maya dakshana, adaksha, according my guidance. Then, Prithvi, what is your nature? She creates this thing, everything are going on. Look at it. Maya dakshana prakriti swate sacharacharam hetu anena kontya jagadvi parivartate. Avajananti mangamura manusing turnmasritam parang bhavang avajananto mama bhuta maheswaram. A nice visual this. So now coming actual this I want to say. Ye Krishna always saying, you always absorb with me, surrender. Manmana bhavo, madbhakto, madjaji, mang namaskaro. Mami vasami juktaiva, mam atmana matparayana. Manmana bhavo, madbhakto, madjaji. Or mang namaskaro. But just to perform 3 things, not 4. What are the 3? Manvana bhava, madbhakto, or madjaji, namaskaro. 4. Always absorb with me. Manvana bhava, as the gopis. You told. What the gopis are doing. Always they absorb with Krishna. From morning to evening. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. He Krishna, He Jadava, He Saketi. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. When they perform their any household duties, or absorb with Krishna. Even they were milking the cows. What are they saying? Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. He Krishna, He Jadava, He Saketi. Govinda Damodar Madhave. What is the sloka? Jado ne abhana ne matana pralepa prenchai chanardvarudito chanamarjanado gayanti chainonurakta dhya osrukanto dhanna vrajastriya urukrama chitta jano. When they're milking the cows, absorb with Krishna. Rejadone, obonane. And when they, how do you call? Now when they're milking the cows, that time they also remember to Jadohane, Abohane, Matona Pralevo. when they humming the grains with their hamam, you know. Understand what he's saying? What is they doing? जब चावल के कुटते हैं, and separate the husk. You are doing or no? So you don't know how to this. Udu khaleno is sanghatta. They put there the one container, and they also humming the some grains with it. And that time what is chanting? Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti, Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti. He Krishna, He Jadava, He Sakheti, Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti. When they also to cleaning their courtiers, or what is called cow dung with the mixed with the cow dung and water, and they also cleaning their courtiers. What is chanting? Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti, Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti. He Krishna, He Jadava, He Sakheti, Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti. That is called Manmana, always absorbed with Krishna. They are not talking any mundane talk. Always they absorb with Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. Krishna Nam Gun Jas Avatang Sakane. What is it? Krishna Nam Gun Jas Avatang Sakane. In their ears, always you. Krishna Nam Rup Gun Jas. Not this is they are called ornaments of the ears. That is called Karnapulsan. Krishna Nam Katha. Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti, Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti. He Krishna, He Jadava, He Sakheti, Govinda Damo Dharma. कोई न बेली पति को जगावे, प्राणे सो जागो अब नींद त्यागो, बेला ही है हरि गीत गावो, गोविंद दामो धर्म दवेति, गोविंद दामो धर्म दवेति, गोविंद दामो धर्म दवेति. New bride or bridegroom, they are very tired and taking rest, and because late night they slept. So early in the morning, what is it called? Bride wake up. A bridegroom is sleeping. And so bride is saying, oh my husband, please wake up. Ladies are fast, they are wake up. Our gents, they are little bit lazy or not? This is true or wrong? It did not come even in the midday also. Sleeping. No Harikatha, no sleep. No need to also eat. So I also explain this way. So कोई नवेली पति को जगावे, प्राणे सो जागो अपनी दो त्यागो, गे बेला ही है हरिगी तो गावो. She is saying, oh my husband, why are we sleeping? Please wake up. Look, sun rises in the east and eastern side completely what? Illuminated. Eh? So please come. And we glorify our Krishna. So then, कोई नवेली पति को जगावे प्राणेश जागो अपनी दो त्यागो बेला ही है हरिगीत गावो. This is called Brajavasi. What is the symptom of Brajavasi? How do you know he is Brajavasi? Hold on.
इस्ते स्वारसी की रागा परम अविस्तदा भवेत.
Then finish. इष्टे सारसिक रागो परम इष्टता भवेत तन्मय तो भवेत स रगात्मिका कलिता. रगात्मिका उनिष्ट स रगानुगा उच्चते. विराजन्ति अभिव्यक्ति ब्रजवासी जनादिश. Those who are Brajavasis. Brajavasi means those who are called the eternal associates of Krishna. They are called Nitya Parikar. And they completely manifested Krishna's internal potency, Sarv Shakti. They are Antaranga Shakti, Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika's manifestation. So Brajavasi is actually they are called Brajavasi. Generally we are saying, oh, he is Brajavasi. That is simple meaning, general meaning. And who lives in Braj, he is called Brajavasi. You live in where?
Valana.
No, Spain. Spain bas. Spaniolo. You speak? Spain. So what is saying? Spanish. Spanish. But in the same way, those who live in Braj, they are called Brajavasi. That's simple meaning. But this is a real meaning. Who is called real Brajavasi? Ishti Sarasika Rago Param Avishrita Bhavit. These two symptoms will come. Ishti Sarasika Rago. The spontaneous love and affection with the Ishtadev Krishna. Absorbed with already. It is and Param Avishta, day and night absorbed with Krishna. 1 second they never separate from Krishna. In their mind, always remember to Krishna. So the two symptoms, stay Sarasika Raga or Param Avishta Bhavit. This is called Ragatmik Jan, Brajavasi. So Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he explained who is called Brajavasi. That is called Krishna's Nitya Parikar, eternal associate of Krishna. And the topmost Brajavasi is Srimati Radhika. Yes? Understand? Jaha jaha netra pade, taha Krishna spore. Wherever is looking, everywhere is Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. So saying, jaha jaha netra pade, taha Krishna spore. So real Brajavasi, perfect Brajavasi, means one who absorbed with Krishna. So Prabhupada Krishna is saying in this way. Manmana bhavo. Hey Arjun, always absorb your mind with me. I read Brij Gopis. So Prabhupada Gurudev gave a very nice example. One young girl. She was born in Hastinapur. Where? Hastinapur, understand? Delhi. Now it's called Delhi, Hastinapur. She heard about Krishna many katha, but she did not see how is beautiful form of Krishna Govinda. From her childhood, she heard about Krishna, but she did not see how is beautiful form of Krishna. But when she became young and youth, she married in Vrindavan, Braj. She was born in Hastinapur, Delhi. So the first day when she came in Vrindavan, and that time she is very eager. I have to take darshan to Govinda, Govinda darshan. Understand? She heard how is beautiful Krishna's form, Barha Piran Naror Bapu Karna Karnikaram Vibrata Vaso Kanakavicham Vijantamaram Randran Vino Radharasva Purana Govinda Vindaran Sapataramanam Ravisata Gitikit. You know this slokas all. But that young girl, now she married in Vrindavan. So this is the first day when she arrived in Vrindavan. They touched the dust of Vrindavan. So she realized many things. Because the dust of Vrindavan is not ordinary dust. What is the dust? Chintamani. Whom is Chintamani? Ganamayam Toyam Amritam. The dust of Vrindavan, that is called Chintamani. Chintamani, understand? Dust. What kinds of desire will come and all your desire will fulfill. If you go Vrindavan. You went Vrindavan or how many times? Many times. Many. Countless. You? How many times?
2.
2 times only. Not countless. So she is saying many times. You? So now she came in Vrindavan. This is her first time. And she heard about Krishna's glories, Krishna's beauty, Krishna's everything. But for this regard, she is very eager to take darshan to Govinda. Try to tell me, in this material world, first I compare with the transcendental things and material things. Then first is coming is what? Visay and Vasana. Visay and Vasana. Understand? Visay means, what is the Visay? Object of the senses. That is called Visay. Roop, Rao, Sabda, Gandha, Sparsh. Or Vasana means, what do you mean Vasana? Desires. So first is coming where? Desires or Vasana, what is it called? Visay. Which things are coming? First, Vasana coming. No. Visay. Transcendental thing. We are discussing about material things. It did not see anything. So how possible your desires will come to enjoy in the sense gratification? Understand? It did not see anything. And so first our senses, they are the senses, they are going. When you see any very nice, beautiful flowers, lotus, have you seen? Beautiful, very nice, beautiful blossom, fragrance, lotus. If you see the beautiful blossom, fragrance, lotus, then automatically, then your desire will come, I will take this. This example is given Jiva Goswami Pad. Somewhere he gave an example this way. And you did not see that the lotus, how possibly desire will come. Sometimes devotee when the walking in the park, they also picking the flowers. Very sweet, fragrance, very nice blossom. They are picking for Krishna Seva. This is another thing. But Shastra saying should not take it. Anyhow, just try doing it. So that means first, what is it called? Vishay. Then your Vasana will come. You understand? So for the Narottam Das Thakur, what is saying? Gauranga bolite habe pulaka surira হরি হরি বলিতে নয় অনে ববে নির আর কবে নিতাই চাঁদের করুণা হইবে সংসার বাসনা মোর কবে তুচ্ছ হবে বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে মন কবে হাম হেরব বিষয় বাসনা ফার্স্ট কামিং বিষয় দেন বাসনা come. This thing. This is the nature. Conditioned soul, you never see that Brusum later. Very nice. Half a soul thinking, I will take. When you walking in the park, if you see the very nice, beautiful Brusum, which one? There is the plastic. Okay. Then you have to take. This is so বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবি আচ্ছা listen this very কথা so now that the young girl she first night she arrived in Vrindavan. This is Vrindavan. Everybody is here. Then all the Brajavasis they are coming out from the house and want to take darshan, beautiful form of Govinda. And how Krishna is going with his friends, Subal Siddha Madhumangal Stuka Krishna. And so now her mother-in-law, she told, hey, you are new, what is it called, bride. So according to the Braj rules, you should not come out from the house. You should cover your face with the long veil. So, mother-in-law, she also went out from her house. Because everybody eager to take darshan to Govinda darshan. Every day Krishna, he used to go herding the cows with his friend Subal Siddha Madhumangal. Cows, all they are going. There the mother-in-law, she came out from the house and all they standing on the road, big what is it called? Line and all they are standing to take darshan to Govinda darshan. And Gopinang Natpulam Nayana Utpalam Gopu Gopi Sanghabritam. So gopis, all the gopis and Brajavasis, especially young girls and young ladies, all they are standing on the road. Krishna is coming. So now this young bride, she think, I have to take darshan to Govinda. I heard about the glories of Krishna, his beauty, his form, everything, but I did not see how is he. So for this regard, she also came out from her house and standing on the middle of the doorway. And then she saw the first these were Subal, Siddham, Madhumangal, all they are dancing, singing, and also there's the calves, small calves, they are running. Then cows, they are coming. Then in behind, Krishna is coming. Thousand, not one, thousand cows, different cows also, colors. This thing. White cows, and they are going there separate, not they are mixed. Those the blackish cows, they are all they together. You know? As like if you see, as like at a time, two rivers are flowing. As like Ganga and Jamuna. When the cows, their system way, they are going this. And our Shastra explained this. All the white cows and white calves, all the same way. They look like this. And blackish cows, they are the blackish or is called calves, they are going this. Not mixed. As like you see, these look like at a time two streams of Ganga and Jamuna. Ganga Jamuna is going on. It's beautiful this place. Really. And all they are very nice, beautiful, their sound coming. Hamba, hamba, understand? They are doing this. And she was looking. And she saw Krishna is very far. Because not one cow. How many cows? And only Nanda Maharaj has 900,000 cows. 9 lakhs cows. So Subal, Siddhamadu, all they are also cows. So you can imagine how many cows are there. How many calves also there. And big line and this way. As the Ganga, the stream of Ganga and Jamuna. Our Krishna very far behind the cow. So how possible she will take darshan? But her desire is coming. Yeah, I have to take darshan to Govinda. Govinda darshan. And Govinda darshan lalasa. She says so much longing, lalsa. I have to take to Govinda. And then Krishna is called Antarjami Krishna. He knows the heart of all the living entities. Krishna thinks, oh, this new bride, she wants to take darshan to her. So Krishna knowingly twists the tails of one calf. Then calf will be running and coming very close to the young bride. And in this way, when the calf is coming, and Krishna also coming. And in this way, Krishna just touch his foot on her cheeks. Then good. And she took darshan. Just one moment, she took darshan to Govinda. Then she completely what? Stand. Her body not moving. What happened? Completely. In this way, everybody have gone there. And after a few minutes, her mother-in-law came. Hey, I told you, don't come out from the house. Why was it? Oh, he took darshan to the son of Nanda Maharaj. But he is not the son of Nanda Maharaj. He is the ghost of Nanda Maharaj. Nanda ke putre, Nanda ke bhoot. Put or bhoot. Put means sant. Or bhoot means ghost. Now ghost possesses your body. Anyhow, she also, their mother-in-law by force, took her inside the room. But she cannot speak, she cannot walk, nothing. Then mother-in-law told to her, okay, we chant the Jogat. Bring this Jogat pot and chant. But in the same room, also some pot of mustard seed, so mustard seed, understand? Yeah. She also chanting the mustard seed. And remember the song, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. He Krishna, He Jadava, He Sakheti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Then she was chanting. What she is chanting is what? Mustard seed. Then after a few minutes, Then mother-in-law she came. Hey, I told you churn the yogurt. Are you churning? Master said. Then all the master seed completely spread in her courtiers. So very difficult to collect all the master seed. The mother-in-law she also collect all the master seed and thing. Then said, okay, you have to bring water, fetching the water from the well. And go on. Then she is a new bride. So how possible she will go alone? Okay, according to the system. Okay. Mother-in-law, she gave one small baby on her lap and also one, what is it called? Rope and clay pot. So she came. But she forgot. And she is carrying the baby or clay pot. She is thinking this is baby, this thinking this is clay pot. So take out together. Then she also tied the rope around the baby. A baby is coming, but she is not thinking. Because her mind completely stolen by Krishna. She also putting the baby on the inside the oil. In the meantime, one Brajavasi came, hey, this is not the clay pot, this is like a baby. This type of realization. This is called Manmana Bhava. Gurudev told, what do you mean Manmana Bhava? Gopis, how they completely absorbed with Krishna. Actual Krishna, for this guy, Krishna, remember this Braj Lila Katha. So for this guy, Krishna is saying, Manmana Bhavo, Mad Bhakto, you have to become my devotee. Mad Bhakto, Mad Jaji, you worship to me. Mad Bhakto, Mad Jaji, Man Namaskaro. Just to pay your obeisance. That's why Srimad Bhagavad Gita teaching to us this. How gopis they completely absorbed with Krishna. This is the process. All Braj Bhav in Srimad Bhagavad Gita also. But you cannot, externally you cannot see where is the Braj Bhav. But when you associate with Brajarasik Sadhu and Guru, then you can see then what kinds of Braj Bhav in Bhagavad Gita. So this is the process of how to absorb with Krishna. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. He Krishna, he Jadava, he Saket. Bhakti, this is coming this. Anaradharada Padambujarenu Anasrita Vrinda Atavita Padankam Asambhasa Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan Kutasama Sindhu Rasa Savaga. Sam Sindhuras. Samras means singer. If you want to submerge in the ocean of divine Radha and Krishna, that is called Sama Singaras. Just to follow the three principles. How many? Three. Anaradharada Padambujarenu Anasrita Vinda Atavi Tatpadankam Asambhasa Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan Kutasama Sindhu Rasa Savaga. First, that is called, you have to one pointed with Srimati Radhika, Radha Dasam. There are no any kinds of desire. What is your desire should be? Only Radha Dasam. I will become the nature of Srimati Radhika. This Sama Sundara Sikanda Sekara Smirahasa Murali Manohara Radhika Rasikamang Kripanide Sapriya Charana Kinkaring Kuru. Sapriya. Then pray to Krishna, hey Krishna, I will become the maidservant of Priya Srimati Radhika. Sama Sundara शिखंड शेखर स्मरहास मुरली मनोहर राधिका रसिक मां कृपा निधि सप्रिया चरण किंकरें करो. Then one life you have to pray to Krishna, pray to Srimati Radhika. Radhika dasi যদি ওই অভিমান শীঘ্র মিলয় তবে গোকুলকার. This is the process. Crying. So always crying. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaching to us. Gaudiya mission means crying is the school of crying. He is giving to the instruction to how to cry for Krishna. Mundane people, they are crying for material things. Everybody crying or not? Who is not crying? You are crying? Sometimes a joke. One person, he came to Krishna. Now he came to Ramchandra. His name? Bhakta Ramchandra. He is the devotee of Ramchandra. And he was crying and crying. Ramchandra asked, hey, what happened? Why you are crying? That time he is told, my girlfriend left me. I don't know where he is here. So please give mercy. Then Ramchandra put out, same situation I have. You meet with Hanuman, he also, no, Hanuman also find out my consort Sita. So you have to go to Hanuman temple. Then Hanuman also will help you, not help you, Hanuman completely find out. Because when Ravan kidnapped my consort Sita, Hanuman find out or not? He found her. So in the same way, you go to Hanuman temple. I don't know, cry for Krishna Prem. Understand? Mahaprabhu was saying, Krishna Prem dhan bina mor vyartha daridra jivan dan Krishna Prem dhan bina mor daridra jivan das kari beton more deha Krishna Prema dhan. Oh my Lord, you give me Krishna Prem, Krishna Bhakti. Nadanang najanang sundaring jagadishva kame mama janma janmana sari bhavata bhakti ahituki tai. Nadanang najanang sundaring kavitang va jagadisha kame mama janma janmani sari bhavata bhakti ahituki tai. So what bhakti do you want? Ahituki, costless bhakti. So two kinds of, one is called Hetumula Bhakti, and is called Ahetumula Bhakti. The Bhakti with cause, that is called Hetumula Bhakti. Or another Bhakti that is called Ahetuki, causeless. No. So saying this, Mahaprabhu teacher and always cry. Cry for Krishna. You have to cry or not? You cry for whom? Cry for Krishna. So Mahaprabhu taught to us this way. Krishna boli kano mago, dukkha duri jabe. Oh my mother, you will be free from all kinds of problems, sorrows, everything. If you cry for Krishna. Yesterday I told, now in the morning told, Hare Krishna, it is called the Viraha Bhava. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Actually, I tell you, this Mahamantra, Hare Krishna mantra, who chanted first? Coming from where? Ekoda Krishna Virahena One Srimati Radhika, she felt painful separation from Krishna. Then spontaneous this mantra, Mahamantra manifested from her mouth. This is a Viraha Suja. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You stay in your house or you take renounce order. Grieva bane tadake, Haguranga bole dake, Narottama Magitar Sangam. Narottam Das Thakur. Chant holy names. And we chant holy names with separation mode, viraha. Jugaita nivesanam, chakkusapa brishaitam, sunnaitam jagata sarvam, Govinda virahiname. Govinda viraha. This is the process. This verse is very sweet. Jugaita nivesanam, chakkusapa brishaitam, sunnaitam jagata sarvam, Govindam virahinam. Viraha bhav. Mahaprabhu manifested this mood. That is called Viraha bhav. The mood of separation. Viraha bhav means what? Cry for Krishna. You cry for whom? Krishna. Pardon? But not so easy to cry for Krishna. Mundane people, they are crying for mundane things. But you tell you cry for Krishna, they cannot cry for Krishna. If you lose money, you will cry. If you lose your any mundane things, you will cry or not?
Mobile phone.
Mobile phone. I think no one can cry for mobile phone. You will go nice, then you will get the new. Maybe he's thinking,
Too expensive.
and
Too expensive to buy another mobile. Can't afford another. So I have to cry for.
or if you cry, you will come back. It will not come. If you lose, your mobile will come back or not? But if you cry for Krishna, Krishna will come. This is the main thing. So it is better cry for Krishna than Krishna. Gopis, they felt painful separation from Krishna. And they also recited these verses. Jayati te odikang janmana braja srayata indira sasa atrahi daita dikchatam dikshutavoka tridita savo twang vichinnate saradadu dasai sadhu jata sit sarojasi jodari Sri Musadrisa Suratana tate Sulkadasika Varadhanignato Neha King Vada Jayati te odikam Janmana Braja Srayata Indira Shasha Atrahi Daita Dikchatang Dikshutavoka Vaidita Savo Twang Vichinnate Saradadu Dasai Sadhu Jatasi Sarajasu Jadari Sri Musadrisa Suratana Tate Sulkadasika Varadhanignato Neha King Vada Visajala Payat Belarakshasa Varsa Marutat Vaidutanalat. Listen.
Gurudev, once you said this, now it is called Kanak Manjari.
Kanak Manjari Chanda. You are right. You can sing this Gopi Geet, many, what is called, rhythm. Best rhythm is called Kanak Manjari Chanda. Eh? There are two meanings of Kanak Manjari. Kanak means gold. And Kanak means gold also. And or Kanak means that is called one kinds of, what is called, intoxication,
Intoxicating herb.
herbs. That is called Dhatura. You know, people they also taking these things. So if you take these types of herbs, then your head start to spinning. In the same way, if you recited Gopi Geet in this Kanak Manjari Chanda, then your head start to spinning. These things. And you will forget everything. Gopi is how they completely absorb Krishna. They cried or not? Everything. Isn't? And what the last line saying? Yatti Sujata Jain, last line. No. Gopi Geet. Last line. Rudu Sussaram. Then Krishna appeared. Iti Guppa Rudam Krishna. Before. And Tasam Urvi Sauri Smayan Makamujam Pitambar. इसके पहले यही है शिशुको वाच इति गुप्पा प्रगन्तम प्रप्रन्तश्च चित्रधा रुदु सुस्सरं राजन कृष्ण दर्शन लालसा. Very clearly explained. You read. Sri Sukdev Goswami said, O King Parikshit, having thus sung and lamented in various ways, the gopis began to weep bitterly in the sweet voice and generally eager to see their beloved Krishna. Here use this word, Rudu Sussaram. And they are crying for Krishna. They bitterly crying for Krishna. Then Krishna appeared. Or if you lose, but if, what is it called? Mobile, he is saying. And you crying, the mobile will come back or not? Not coming back. And one again. But when the gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna, and they are crying and reciting these bars, and shedding their tears, then Krishna appeared. This is the difference. If you lose any material things, you will cry, it will not get back. But if you lose Krishna prem, Krishna bhakti, and crying, then Krishna will come. This is the difference. Yeah, this verse you remember this. Parvanta Pradesha Chatada Rurudu Sussaram Rajana Krishna Darsana Lalasa. There is Rurudu. Sussaram. They also cried very sweet melodies also. So this is the process of. So for this regard saying this ways, you have this Gopi Geet can chant many rhythms also. But one best rhythm is called Kanak Manjari Chanda. Here Kanak means is a two meaning. Kanak means gold, and our Kanak means the intoxication herbs, and Manjari means very soft and small soft and leaves. That is. So the Kanak Manjari Chanda this. And then your heart will be spinning and crying and getting absorbed with this. And why I'm saying, because if you cry for Krishna, then Krishna will become. Gopi, they cried for Krishna or not? Eh? And they're singing this song, glorification of Krishna, very sweet melodies. Then Krishna appeared in the assembly of Gopis house. Eh? Tasang viru sauri smayamano mukhambujam. This sloka is also explained. But if you have the intents, when Krishna noticed the Gopis, how they felt pang of separation from him. And crying. So for the use this word, Rudu Sussaram. Rudu means they cried. Sussaram. And they also recited all these verses and with very sweet melody. So for the I was saying this, which melody they recited? This Gopi Gita. Because Sussaram, which sir? Kanak Manjari Chandra. This is the present. They think Jayati te odhikam janmona braja srayata indira sasatrahi daita diksatam diksuta boka Taidita savo twang vichinnate saradadudasai saradosijudara srimukhadrisam suratana tate Sulkadasika Varadanighnato Neya King Vada. And it's like Tabakatamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Viriritang Kalmosavapam Sravana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Ginanti te Bhuridajana 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 Atati jad bhavan onnikanan truti jugayate tamopassatam kutila kuntalang srimukanchate jaraudrikshotvam vakshakidvisam. All these slogans. This is called Kanak Manjari Chandra and separation mode. Viraha Bhav. Actually, I have to say, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us, we have to perform bhajan sadhana in Viraha Bhav, separation mode. And understand? Separation mode, this is very important. And so Mahamantra, actually with this Mahamantra is called separation mode. And two modes is also there. This is called also, another is called meeting mode, but separation mode is important. Crying. Kaha mor pranad murali vadan, kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajendra Nandan, kaha re koriba dukkha, ke jane mor dukh, Brajendra Nandan bina, phate mor bur. Viraha Bhav. Viraha Bhav is very important. And in the angle of the sadhak drishti, need Viraha Bhav, separation mode, crying for Krishna. Then, or they have said this, for Ekoda Krishna Virohena. And one Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. Then spontaneous, this Mahamantra, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and came out from her inner court of heart. Antar Hridaya se bahar aa gaya. Actually, this Mahamantra and Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This Mahamantra is coming from the inner court of Srimati Radhika. They are saying, Virava. And now same Srimati Radhika, now Krishna. And he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion and separation mood. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanting. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, I am Radha. Are chanting this. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Virava. Then Gaur Premanandi. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Gita Ganga. Hare Ram, Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram. Nitai Gaura Hari Bo, Hari Bo, Hari Bo. Nitai Gaura Hari Bo, Hari Bo, Hari Bo. Nitai Gaura Hari Bo. Jai Hari Hari Bo.